Japan operates one of the most structured and technologically advanced air forces in Asia, with 23 distinct aircraft types covering fighters, surveillance, refueling, transport, and unmanned systems, forming a balanced and highly coordinated aerial capability across all operational roles. Starting with Japan's frontline fighters. The Mitsubishi F-15J and F-15DJ entered service as air superiority fighters, forming the backbone of Japan's defense fleet. With 199 aircraft in operation, they provide long-range interception and high-speed engagement capability, remaining active through continuous upgrades and modernization programs. The Mitsubishi F-2A and F-2B entered service as multi-role fighters developed jointly with the United States. With 91 aircraft in service, they specialize in maritime strike and air defense missions, equipped with advanced radar systems and anti-ship capabilities, remaining operational today. The Lockheed Martin F-35A entered service as a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter. With approximately 47 aircraft currently active, it provides advanced stealth, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare capabilities, significantly enhancing Japan's modern air combat effectiveness and remaining in active expansion. Now moving to airborne early warning and control aircraft. The Boeing E-2C and E-2D Hawkeye entered service as carrier-capable airborne early warning aircraft, providing radar surveillance and battle management. With 16 aircraft in operation, they extend detection range, coordinate intercept missions, and remain critical for maintaining continuous airspace awareness across Japan's defense network. The Boeing E-767 AWACS entered service as a long-range airborne warning and control platform based on the Boeing 767 airframe. With 4 aircraft in operation, it provides wide area radar coverage, command coordination, and airborne control functions, remaining a central component of Japan's strategic surveillance capability. In reconnaissance and electronic warfare roles, the Kawasaki RC-2 entered service as a dedicated signals intelligence and electronic surveillance aircraft. With 1 aircraft currently in operation, it conducts advanced electronic intelligence gathering, monitoring communications and radar emissions, supporting strategic awareness and remaining active within Japan's intelligence and surveillance operations. The Kawasaki EC-2 is currently in development as an electronic warfare aircraft designed to replace older platforms. It is expected to provide advanced electronic attack and jamming capabilities, enhancing Japan's ability to disrupt enemy radar and communications systems once it enters operational service. Now looking at transport and strategic mobility aircraft. The Kawasaki C-2 entered service as a next-generation military transport aircraft designed for long-range and heavy-lift missions. With over 15 aircraft in operation, it provides strategic airlift capability, supporting rapid deployment, logistics, and humanitarian missions while remaining in active service. The Lockheed C-130H Hercules entered service as a tactical transport aircraft known for reliability and versatility. With 14 aircraft in operation, it performs troop transport, cargo delivery, and disaster relief missions, operating from short and unprepared runways while remaining an active component of Japan's transport fleet. The Boeing 777-300ER entered service in a VIP transport role for government use. With 1 aircraft in operation, it provides long-range, high-capacity transport for official missions, ensuring secure and efficient movement of personnel while remaining active within Japan's strategic transport operations. In aerial refueling operations, the Boeing KC-767J entered service as a tanker aircraft adapted from the 767 platform. With 4 aircraft in operation, it provides in-flight refueling capability for fighter and transport aircraft, extending mission range and endurance while remaining a key asset in Japan's force projection capability. The Boeing KC-46A Pegasus is being introduced as a next-generation aerial refueling aircraft. With 2 aircraft on order, it will provide improved fuel transfer systems, advanced avionics, and multi-role capability, enhancing Japan's ability to sustain extended air operations once fully operational. The Lockheed KC-130H entered service as a tactical aerial refueling and transport aircraft. With 2 aircraft in operation, it supports helicopter and fixed-wing refueling missions, providing flexible operational support while continuing to serve within Japan's aerial refueling fleet. In support search and rescue and utility roles, the Hawker 800, designated U-125A, entered service as a search and rescue support aircraft. With over 25 aircraft in operation, it conducts maritime surveillance, emergency response coordination, and rescue missions, remaining a key platform in Japan's rapid response and disaster relief operations. The Cessna Citation Latitude, designated U-680A, entered service as a modern flight inspection and utility aircraft. With 2 aircraft currently in operation and 1 on order, it performs navigation system calibration and support missions, enhancing aviation safety and operational accuracy across Japan's airspace. The Gulfstream 4 entered service as a multi-role support and transport aircraft. With 5 aircraft in operation, it is used for personnel transport, communication support, and various specialized missions, providing flexible operational capability while remaining active within Japan's support fleet. The British Aerospace 125 entered service as a utility and calibration aircraft. With 2 aircraft in operation, it supports flight inspection and navigation system testing, ensuring accuracy of airfield equipment while continuing to serve in specialized roles across Japan's aviation infrastructure. Now moving to pilot training aircraft. The Kawasaki T4 entered service as an intermediate jet trainer used to prepare pilots for advanced fighter aircraft. With approximately 178 aircraft in operation, it provides essential flight training, formation practice, and transition preparation, remaining the core training platform of Japan's pilot development system. The Fuji T7 entered service as a primary trainer aircraft designed for basic flight instruction. With 49 aircraft in operation, it is used for initial pilot training, handling fundamentals, and early-stage flight skills development, serving as the first step in Japan's structured pilot training pipeline. The Hawker 400, designated T1 Jayhawk, entered service as an advanced jet trainer for navigator and flight officer instruction. With 13 aircraft in operation, it supports specialized training roles, including instrument flying and coordination, remaining active within Japan's training fleet. Finally, helicopters and unmanned systems. The Boeing CH-47J and CH-47JA Chinook entered service as heavy-lift transport helicopters. With 17 aircraft in operation and 17 on order, they provide troop transport, cargo movement, and disaster relief support, remaining essential for rapid deployment and logistical operations across Japan's territory. The Mitsubishi UH-60J Black Hawk entered service as a search and rescue and utility helicopter. With over 55 aircraft in operation, it performs emergency response, personnel recovery, and transport missions, operating across land and sea while remaining a critical component of Japan's helicopter fleet. The Northrop Grumman RQ-4B Global Hawk entered service as a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned surveillance system. With 1 aircraft in operation and 2 on order, it provides persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance coverage, enhancing Japan's strategic monitoring and situational awareness capabilities.